Yeah, let's stop and do the intro. All right. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to an adventure. Today, Kayla, the club. We got kind of a weird day. We're going to go to a bunch of places today. At least 3, right? 3? 3 places? We'll pull over here in a minute and tell you where we're going. We got to get into the farm. We got to do it. We got to get a radish or a turnip. Is that the slurper? That's a slurper. I guess we're going to try to break into a farm. What's up? I don't think we can make it, Clevy. What are you looking at, Prius?
Stop. We gotta go around, dude. We gotta get in there.
Should we do the intro before we get thrown out?
No, we'll do the intro in there, dude. It'll be fine.
Good idea. Oh, we found access to the farm. Well, that was easy. See how long it takes before we get thrown out. Farmer Bob.
We made it into the farm. I didn't think we would.
We're proper farmers. Let's go farm some chicken sandwiches. All right, Clevy, what are we doing today?
Wait, say it again, dude. I was interrupting you.
What are we doing today?
We're going to get some chicken salad. Today we're going to get some chicken sandwiches. So today we're going to Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, and then we're going to go to Jack in the Box.
And we're getting chicken sandwiches. Are these like spicy chicken sandwiches?
I don't even know. They're just the regular boys, but you know, it's a big thing. And you know, we're jumping on the bandwagon. We're doing the comparison train.
I didn't even know Jack in the Box had a spicy chicken sandwich.
I keep seeing the commercials for it. It's literally obnoxious. Like, you don't understand. You just have to see it.
Maybe we should ride around a little bit till we get kicked out.
Here?
Yeah.
Sure. We gotta scram.
How do you know?
Well, he was looking at us and now he's stopped and he's on his phone.
Let's ask him for a carrot or a potato.
There you go.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
Good.
What are we growing? Carrots? Potatoes?
No, it's a different plant right there.
That's a tree.
Yeah.
I was hoping to sample a carrot. A fresh one at that.
No.
How's she doing, that Kubota? It's a nice one, huh?
It's nice right there.
All right, sir.
Okay. All right, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. See ya. Farmer was cool. All right, let's go eat some chicken. No carrots for me. He's cheating. I'm still gonna beat him. Look at that! Got him! I gotta see what these chicken sandwiches are all about, right? I mean, people are getting killed over these things. Gotta know. We're at FedEx.
Why are you so curious, dude? What are you, Curious George? You think they don't like us with our helmets on in here? That's really good, dude. This sandwich is going to look exactly like it does on the commercial. You think it's going to look like that?
You're telling me you can just go in there and order that off the menu?
Isn't this ridiculous looking?
I smell antifreeze from over here. There's a Jack in the Box just in this parking lot right over there.
Parking lot? All right, cool, let's go. Right now. Right ice cream. You think it's going to look anything like this?
No.
Just says they're out.
You don't have this sandwich?
No, now. The promotion that's over.
Do you have the same ingredients though? Can you just make it for us?
Let's see.
I don't even have any chicken patties.
No, sorry.
You're saying you can't piece together the ingredients and overcharge us for a sandwich?
Okay, I can hear you. Sorry. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. What?
Please.
And cheese? And bacon and tomato.
Lettuce?
Told you weren't getting out of here for under 20 bucks.
We missed the promotion by 1 day.
Think they're gonna bring it to us?
Sandwich is ready.
There it is.
Dude, I gotta get my thumbnail. Dude, can you see it steaming, dude? Look at it.
Freaking hot.
That was really good.
I kind of want to jump in it. Like if it were Bush, I'd be inside of it right now. I've never had Popeyes in my life.
You've never had Popeyes? Today is that day.
Today's the day.
It's a first.
Today's the first day ever in the whole history of the world. The world just got created today. Ah. Oh, come on, close, dude. Oh my god.
You You need that LUIMOTO seat.
Nah, dude, if I'm gonna damage my bike, I'm damaging yours too.
I love this seat. It's one of my favorite parts of the bike. Seriously. It's the only thing on the bike that's not messed up.
Yeah.
LUIMOTO, man. Been a channel partner for a bit. Check them out. Oh. I crashed into a bush. Out of my way, tiny little blue car. Did I lose Clebby? He's doing jumping jacks. What are you doing? Bicyclists do it. All right, Popeyes. No Popeyes parking. This place must be popular.
There's literally a line wrapped around the building. And you know every single person's getting a chicken sandwich right now.
Popeyes.
What'd you think?
I don't know what the big deal about it is. I don't know why there's a drive-through line that's 300 cars long. Out of the two sandwiches, I don't know. I think this one's better.
It's not.
But the real winner here is the mashed potatoes and gravy.
Yeah, honestly, I think the sandwich sucks, and all these people are just freaking clown-ass sheep just waiting in line.
Would I come back? No. I think I'd pass a lot of restaurants that I'd rather eat at before I got to this one. I've eaten a lot of food today. I think Chick-fil-A is just gonna have to take a seat in the back seat.
Yeah, I'm done, dude.
Next time, Chick-fil-A. You know what though? One of the next videos we can make, we'll go hit Chick-fil-A and Cane's. We'll do a comparison. We'll see what the big deal is there too. Because apparently there's quite the rivalry happening. There's a lot of black cars here. Did lose.
You're gonna post again, dude. Come on, dude.
I got him because he sucks. Fun day as usual, run around clubbing. Ate a lot today. A lot of chicken. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Always updating it. If you guys are into dirt bikes, some of the desert stuff, I do have a second channel that I dedicate to that. We have a good time on that one. A lot of dysfunction. And also, let's not forget, let's support the channel partners. Consider them, man. If you guys are in the market for any of their products or services, just think about them first. That's it.
What do we do?
He's like these fucking clowns.
No, he doesn't know, dude. He wouldn't remember that.
Of course he would.
He would?
You're the club, aren't you?
Yeah, what's going on?
What's up, man?
How you doing,
I
man?
love your videos. I just want to say what's up.
Appreciate it, man. I saw you peeking, dude. I was
Yeah,
like,
dude,
I don't know.
like, because I wasn't sure.
Because I mean, I'm eating like an idiot, so I wouldn't be surprised if someone was staring at me.
Yeah, that's why I was laughing, because I love your videos. I wasn't sure, and then I was like, no.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's awesome. But, yeah, no, I just want to say what's up, because I love your videos. They're fucking
Appreciate it, man.
awesome.
It means a lot.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks, man. I just want to say what's up. It's cool to meet you, bro.
You too, man.